What's up, everybody? Welcome back to High Quality Trade Setups, where I give you my highest quality trade setups in the market today, 100% free. Holla at your boy. Okay, if you're new here, this is the channel where we go over the highest quality stocks in the market, meaning only the top stocks with the highest market caps make the cut. So, Facebook, Apple, Amazon, Netflix, Microsoft, Tesla, Google, these will be the stocks we mainly trade on this channel. So if you're ready to make the highest quality trades of your life, like and subscribe to the channel. Okay guys, first up we have the SPY on the daily time frame. Today the SPY closed at 544.83. It reached a high of 545.20 and a low of 542.44. We were positive 0.39% on the day. Okay, let's drop down into the 4-hour time frame and let's get a better idea of what price is doing. Let's bring up my lines. Okay, so intraday today we were below our support of 544.10, but by the end of the day we did manage to close back above it. So that is slightly bullish. I think we will go back up and retest the 546.99 level. If we manage to break above that, then we can look for the all-time high to be hit again of 550.75. So we will see what the price action brings. If we fall back below 544.10 and then we break the lows here of 542.27, this candle, then I would expect lower prices. The next support level would be 539.04. Okay, we will see what tomorrow's price action brings. Let's go over some trades I took today. Facebook was one. Okay, so we did have a break of our downward sloping trend line. And during this candle, I did enter. Let's drop down into the 15-minute. Okay, on the break of the trend line here, I did enter in some call, actually only one call, but it was a 505 call. And I didn't hold the trade long because I was only trading it up to 510. And so in this candle here, when we were approaching the 510 level, I was getting out of my trade. So all in all, it was like 30-minute, 45-minute trade, and it was a good like 40% winner. So that was cool. Kind of what signaled the trade for me, right? Because this is high quality trade setups, and we only trade high quality trade setups. So what we need for that is big price action, right? We want an action candle with a lot of volume, breaking of a trend line. Then we want the MACD to start trading in our favor, right? If we're going short, this thing needs to be going down. If we're going long, this thing needs to be going up, okay? Now, we had all three of those signals today, so it was an entry in Meta. And then we just trade up to the next support level or resistance level and get out. That's what signifies a high quality trade on this channel. Okay, so that was Meta today. Pretty cool. Still bullish on Meta above 510.24. I would expect to see 516.74 get hit in the coming days. We'll see if we consolidate at this level first and then go higher. But everything is looking pretty bullish. I mean, this was like a flag type pattern that we broke out of. So as long as we stay above this level, we first need to break above 516 and then we can head to 522. So we will see how price treats us tomorrow. Another trade I took was Google. Now, I told you guys in my last couple videos that I was bullish on this one. And when we started breaking above the support of 182, the resistance of 182.06, I was entering in some calls. So this one was another good trade. So let's go in the 15-minute because that's another one that I kind of use the 4 hour to enter, and then to exit, I've been going into the 15 to exit. So I think I bought on this candle here, and I bought the 182.50 calls. I purchased 4, and then I traded it up here just to the support level of 183, and then put in a take profit, and I got out on this candle. In hindsight, it would have been great to hold this trade longer if I could have, but I didn't see where it could go any further. So again, hindsight's 2020. If I look here, I could have maybe gone this. This is like a flag, and then use this as a flagpole, and then just, if we move the flagpole right from here to here, we're probably gonna get almost, well, a good indication anyway of how far the trade could go. We didn't go the full pattern, but um, that's a good signal to use. So all in all, this was a good trade. Let's go over again how it was a high quality trade. So we had a break of the support here, or resistance, blah blah blah. Big volume candle, right? And then we had the MACD trading in our favor, right? These bars were getting bigger. That's a good indication of buying. And so, yeah, all in all, great trade on this one. Let's see. So the Costco trade I got out of today. Sadly, this one was like a 50% loser. But with the wins in the market today, I don't even care. This one just didn't really affect me. I feel like maybe this one just didn't have the best entry. Like, it wasn't a high quality trade setup, right? This one maybe had 2 of the 3 signals that we like, right? Had a break of the trend line on the volume, but the MACD had kind of already used up a lot of the momentum in the trade. Like, yeah, I mean, so in early trading on Monday, this thing fell quick. So if you were able to buy it real quick, it would have been a decent trade to get into yesterday. But I mean, yeah, like, this candle was the very first candle in the day that dropped all the way down to 841.50, and then it just went right back up. So this was a hard one to trade. Honestly, that's why I usually only go over the Mag 7 or whatever people like to call them, all the tech stocks, because they trade in a lot of volume. Okay, so your price swings are actually, they're bigger, they happen more often, and the price action's usually sustained for a longer period of time. This was real quick. Costco's not really a huge name, like a widely traded name. Of course, it's a huge name because it's freaking Costco, but I mean, in terms of like traders trading it, it doesn't have a high can't remember what that's called, a volume rate or something like that. So I'm out of this trade. If anything, this looks more like a good call setup now, being that we're kind of back up into this channel. We had the bullish divergence here on the RSI, and then now price is retreating back up. So that was Costco. Sadly, it was a loser. Tesla was actually, so yeah, sorry about this one, guys. Told you guys this was a short setup, but we immediately got back up into the pattern, and then we broke up. So I was actually looking at this one, Enter 2, today, but I felt like it was a little slower than Facebook and Google. Just with the fake outs here, it kind of kept me from trading. This was all in all a high quality trade setup, and this one would have been perfect to buy and then trade up to the 187 level. Now we got to see if Tesla can get above 187.42 and then ride it up to 191.57. That will be a great trade if price action allows it. So we will have to see what tomorrow's price action brings. Nvda was up huge. Well, I don't know about huge, but I mean, it did have a pretty good day. For percentage wise, I mean, yeah, we're up 6%. So that's a big day. I mean, especially to close here. The low was like 117, and then we closed. So that's a good $10 trade for Nvda. Those contracts are probably up huge. But this one isn't really signaling anything for me to trade it yet. So I'm just gonna sit back and watch it. Microsoft is in a channel. We'll have to see if this one does break out of the channel. It might be a good short trade. That's really all I have for you guys. If Amazon can get above 187.99, well, then I trade it up to 191. Apple's not really looking too fun of a trade, so let's just see what tomorrow's price action brings. All right. Thanks for watching, guys, and I will bring you another video tomorrow. Goodbye.